Firstly, my last video was very surprising for a first video. I did not even expect 100 views. Think less, draw more. I mean, look at these pieces. The main agenda behind this was a value study. So I did a value study of David. Yes, David, the sculpture. And I decided to build it from the ground up using just brushes and not sketching it at all. And it took me 4 hours to excellently fail at that. My glasses are reflecting. It took me around 4 hours to repeatedly draw the sketch and fail at it again and again. You know what the problem was? I was not thinking less. I was thinking too much. I mean, I know it sounds counterintuitive, but let's just say you are doing a task and you overthink it. Now, neither you will enjoy it, neither will it make your task any better in terms of quality or efficiency. I do that a lot with drawing and any drawing related process. In general, even any creative process. Recently with writing too. That writing video is still pending. My idea here, the big idea, any further progress that you see in your art, it does not come from nitpicking quality in every session you sit. It comes from quantitative habits. The more you draw, the better you will get. That is true. But what mentality do you have about drawing more? Because personally, every time I sit to do one piece, I would focus all of my energy on it. I would focus every single passing thought in my head onto it. Do not attach yourself to everyday practice works. You will make works that will take all of your time, that will take your soul, that will be your magnum opus, sure. But do not attach yourself to the work you create, or else you will never improve. Even the most terrible of your works that you like will not be fundamentally good. And then you will be caught in a cycle where you are making mediocre or okayish works because instead of actually being intuitive about them, that it's just a piece of paper with some sketch on it, with some pencil sketches on it, or some digital file with some digital brush marks on it. In fact, the fact that it's a digital artwork makes it even easier to just make a new one. Yes, you spent hours on another artwork, so what? You are the creator, you created it, not the other way around. You have the power over your creation. I did not want to make this video very long because I have a mid-sem tomorrow and I do not intend to drag my videos in any case. The big idea was that this piece that I'm showing, initially it took me 4 hours, and I would also say the activity you do while drawing also affects it, because I was listening to my favorite band Panic at the Disco, and you know how ADHD and just completely energetic and like emo their songs are. And listening to that while doing a value study of David, I would not recommend it. For 4 hours I thought I was in some rush for high hopes and hey look ma, I made it. They are good singers, they are good songs, sure, but the environment and the parallel activities around you, they do affect how you draw. I have drawn better and more easily and more enjoyably in my lectures, because of course lectures bore me. I have said this in the previous videos too, I hate college. Yeah, that is it. Think less and draw more.